Wait.
The testament of time.
What sign is on to cross?
Working as intended.
26.
But wow, look at this.
24. 23. 22.
Look at that little
21.
the little thing in the bottom is starting to fall over. Well, it's been... This button is literally not syncing.
11. 10. 9. 8.
Those two are. This one over here is kind of behind.
5. Wait. 4. Traveling south. 1. What sign is on to cross? What sign is on to cross? 29. Wait. 28. 27.
Well, if this keeps holding the traffic down, then I don't know.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait. 17. 16. 15.
Now the buttons are actually sounding in sync.
12. 11. 10. 9. 8. Wait. 7. 6. Wait.
Well, it looks like they're staying like that for a little bit.
What sign is on?
There's so many. I'll go after this fourth vehicle. There we go.